how did you connect, or do you connect to Yiddish, Yiddishkeit, Eastern European Jewish heritage?
Well, you know, I grew up speaking Yiddish. I can't speak it anymore, but I mean, that's what was spoken in my home, and that was my first language. I understand conversational Yiddish. So that's always been a big part of my life. And my parents, always got the Forward, which is the Jewish newspaper in New York. I guess it's pretty well known. They read Yiddish books. And and there's so much of Yiddish that's come into the English language now. I mean, even friends that I know that didn't even grow up with Jewish friends are using Jewish words. It just feels like a big part of my heritage. So I think, being connected in any way is important to me. It's sort of continuing the culture and it's important, growing up in a Holocaust family with so many Jews being lost. I mean, my brother-in-law is also a survivor, and you want the Jewish religion and traditions to keep going, particularly because it came so close to being done away with.